Welcome to AI-powered web automation with Playwright MCP Server, a breakthrough approach that redefines how AI agents interact with browsers. The Playwright Model Context Protocol, or MCP Server, is an open-source framework that enables AI agents to interact efficiently with web browsers through Playwright. By providing structured data instead of raw HTML, it allows AI models to understand, navigate, and automate web pages intelligently, bridging the gap between human-like decision-making and browser control. AI web automation faces three main challenges. The cold start problem causes delays as new browsers launch and AI waits to initialize, solved by persistent sessions. State synchronization issues arise from inconsistent DOM and multi-agent race conditions, fixed with atomic transactions. The resource wall, caused by local limits and cloud latency, is handled using Playwright MCP Server's hybrid edge cloud deployment. MCP Server's architecture has two main parts. The connection mesh keeps persistent connections, stateful AI sessions, and makes browser instances addressable. The execution pipeline includes inference, where AI reads the DOM, compilation, which turns AI intent into Playwright actions, and atomic execution, ensuring safe, rollback-enabled operations. Getting started with Playwright MCP Server is simple. First, install the server using npm. Next, run it to spin up a browser controlled via MCP. Finally, connect your AI agent, like GPT or Claude, which sends structured commands that the server executes in a headless browser and returns the results. Playwright MCP Server enables cutting-edge automation. Adaptive antibot systems use dynamic browser profiles. Self-learning form automation optimizes multi-session training. Competitive intelligence adapts quickly and cuts compute costs. Cognitive testing replays real user sessions, making QA faster. And autonomous web research agents complete multi-step workflows with session continuity. Playwright MCP Server bridges AI and web automation, enabling faster, smarter, and more reliable workflows. Testrig Technologies helps integrate MCP into your QA processes for optimal results. Subscribe for more insights on AI-driven automation.